About 4 years ago, I planted a Keitt mango tree in my backyard. It has produced a few mangoes here and there over the years, but finally, this year, the tree was absolutely loaded. 27 fruit on a tree that is only 8 feet tall. Unlike most mangoes in South Florida that ripen in June and July, Keitt is a late season mango, with fruit ripening from August through December, depending on the growing conditions and the weather, of course. In the summertime, when Keitt mangoes are reaching full development, they will begin to blush red on the upper corner of each fruit. You may see this color change and think that the fruit are now ready to pick, but that is not the case. What you will use as an indicator for ripeness is the hue shift of that color. That red blush will eventually start to turn a yellowy orange color and work its way further down the side of the fruit. When that color shift starts to begin, for me usually around mid-August through early September, that is when the fruit are now mature enough to be harvested and have a nice rich flavor. It should be noted that Keitt mangoes almost never turn entirely orange like you see with other mangoes. In fact, most of the bottom half of the fruit will remain green even when fully ripened. And in rare cases, you'll get a few fruit that are actually ripe when fully green. Unlike other mangoes, Keitt, even when ready for harvest, are not soft to the touch, and typically won't soften on the tree until way late in the season. The fruit will definitely still be at least somewhat hard to the touch when first harvested. To accelerate the softening, you can leave them outside in a shady area away from animals, but it will soften anywhere from 3 days to 1 week after being picked from the tree. We ripen ours on our second floor balcony without any issues. The flavor of the Keitt mango is actually quite dynamic. It's both sweet and tart, with notes of passion fruit, citrus, and actually a pretty significant coconut flavor. The fruit is also famously very low in fiber and has a silky smooth texture. Truly unique and delicious. I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick video. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.